Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can open an account on the Standard Chartered Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in sc.com/sg/ and hit enter. After the home page of the Standard Chartered Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, just on the left side of the login button, you'll see an open an account button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the open an account button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on the apply now option. Once you click on the apply now option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in all these credentials. Tick your nationality here and then click on the save and next button. After you click on the save and next button, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to open an account on the Standard Chartered Bank. I hope this video helped you to open an account on the Standard Chartered Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.